We're talking Black Friday and Cyber Monday, also known as the most wonderful time of the year for shoppers and merchants alike. But before you hit add to cart on those dream deals, let's take a fascinating detour into the history and little known facts about these epic shopping days. Fact number 1, Black Friday wasn't always about shopping. Bet you didn't know this. Black Friday originally referred to the stock market crash of September 24, 1869. The term was later rebranded in the 1960s by Philadelphia police to describe the chaotic shopping day after Thanksgiving. Fact number 2, the first Cyber Monday wasn't that long ago. Cyber Monday is pretty much millennial. It was coined in 2005 by Ellen Davis of the National Retail Federation. Online retailers needed a hook to get people to shop from their computers back when online shopping wasn't the norm. Fast forward to today, and it's an online shopping frenzy. Fact 3, the busiest shopping day isn't always Black Friday. Despite its reputation, Black Friday hasn't always been the busiest shopping day of the year. For many years, that title went to the Saturday before Christmas. Black Friday took over in 2003 and has mostly held the crown ever since. Fact 4, Black Friday has led to record-breaking sales. In 2018, shoppers spent a jaw-dropping $1 billion in the first 8 minutes of Black Friday. Talk about speed shopping. Fact 5, Cyber Monday has overtaken Black Friday in sales. In 2019, Cyber Monday sales hit $9.4 billion, surpassing Black Friday's $7.4 billion. Digital shopping has indeed come of age, with consumers finding online deals too good to pass up. All right, history lesson over. Time to focus on the here and now. This Black Friday and Cyber Monday, why not make your shopping experience interactive and engaging? With Ghost's affordable and easy-to-use video commerce solutions, from free shoppable videos to live streaming events, you're in for a shopping experience you'll never forget. We even have a webinar to help you maximize your peak season performance with video commerce. Check it out at ghostretail.com. That's a wrap, folks. Now get out there and may the deals be ever in your favor.